How to invest into cryptocurrency with XRP. You have Dogecoin, Bitcoin with Uphold. Uphold is a fast and easy platform where you can go ahead and start trading assets, investing here in 2021. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I've been asked a lot of questions about doing another Uphold video, so I'm going to do one in terms of investing to digital assets right now. Right below this video, I do have a way you can go ahead and open up your free account with Uphold and Coinbase. So I have Uphold and Coinbase. Those are two platforms I use on a daily, weekly basis. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. So the first thing you want to do is just start a free account if you haven't already. It's really simple and easy to do. You click on sign up right there, and then you just fill out this information right here. You can do individual or you can do business as well. Individual is basically if you don't have a business, and if it's just you as the provider, you'll just go ahead and fill out the email, password, the country you live in, and click on next. Then the next thing is business. I like this part here because sometimes you may have a business that you associate with, so you want your assets to go into that business account. You can actually do that with Uphold by filling out this information here and clicking on next. So that's how you'll do that. It's quick and easy to do. You attach your bank account at the end of the actually process. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right now, and I'll show you exactly how you can invest into Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Chainlink, XRP as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. If you haven't yet, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more up-to-date information as well. Now, this is actually your portfolio will show up at the top here. Your portfolio will show up right at the top. So you want to start out to your left here, portfolio, activities, markets, integrations, and then more. So the thing you want to go ahead and do is, what I like to do is go ahead and go under markets. So I want to go ahead and get the actually assets I'm interested in buying. And I want to go ahead and make sure I've got them tagged as a favorite. So Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and we have XRP. We got Zilk. This is another hot one out there that a lot of people are buying based on the news and activity that's happened earlier today. So that price will be moving up today as well. I think that's going to probably double in the next 3 to 6 months. No financial advice, but that's just based on my research. So you basically just type in the actual cryptocurrency you're looking for. So if I'm saying I want to look at Chainlink, it'll just kind of show up here. I click on Chainlink. I'm already following Chainlink by clicking on this star here. That's how you can follow us. If I click on there, and that's how I would do it. That's what I like to do, is click on markets and go to under ones that you want to follow. So I'm gonna go activity and I'll go to cryptocurrencies. So if there's all the cryptocurrencies, if I want to follow Litecoin, I want to have it in my actually favorites, and then I have it already in my little area already. So under markets. So then I have it here. Here's Litecoin right there. There are also other areas you can actually invest into. So there are utility tokens as well. There's also stable coins. There's national currencies. So yeah, there's other things, there's precious metals as well. So we're just gonna stick on cryptocurrencies today. The next thing you want to do is pretty much very simple and really easy. When you set up your bank account up, you can go ahead and start trading assets. So I set up a bank account. It's quick and easy to do. If you want to set up another bank account or a credit card, I was asked this the other day. Just click on here, and then you can go ahead and add your credit card. The USD. So I click on that'll be the currency I have, and then your card should be supported by verified Visa or MasterCard. So I have to make sure this is a Visa or MasterCard because they only accept Visa and MasterCard. So I have to make sure this is already set up before I even move forward. So that's how you would do that. Let me go ahead and move this. So let me see. If I do a bank account, if I want the USD or Canadian, let's do US dollar. The same thing. I would continue here. Uphold uses Play to link your bank account. So make it very secure. And here's all the bank accounts it supports, like Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, Capital One. If you don't see your bank, you can actually search it right here as well. So you can actually search your bank there as well. And it's really easy. You select your bank and then you log in from your bank. So if I click on Chase, I'll log into my Chase account right here. Very simple and really simply easy to do. So I'll say no, thank you. I'll exit out of that. So it's really simple. You also can trade from one asset to another. So if I have XRP and then I want to trade into, let's say, Dogecoin, just make an example. I have 17,000 XRP. So I can say, okay, I want to take 1,000 XRP and trade to Dogecoin. So I will get this amount of Dogecoin. If I trade XRP to Dogecoin, I have 1,000 to 11,000 Dogecoins. That's just an example how you can trade from one asset to another, which I really like to do because you can trade anything through Uphold, anything, and really fast and really easy. So same thing if I did ZIL, so I can do 1,000 ZIL and then get 2,439 Dogecoin as well. So that's just an example of how you can get that done. So it's really simple and really easy. If I want to go ahead and pay for it, remember you can link your bank account here and your credit cards here by clicking on these crosses here. And if I want to pay for that, I'll put US dollar. I can still add a credit card and debit card right here, even though I selected the bank account. But I'll put US bank account. And if I want to purchase, if I want to spend $1,000, it will get this many Dogecoin. And I can just click here and change it. I can go to currencies. I can go to all my currencies, or just all the currencies that Uphold has, and I can select it. Look at this. Polkadot, Stellar Lumens. If I want Stellar Lumens, I can just click on there. It's very simple, really easy, really easy. Just go. Now these are all the ones I invest into. So you can go all your investing, my account. Currency is going to do everything. You click on show more. There's Ether, there's Bitcoin, there is XRP, should be in here somewhere. Yes, XRP is right there. So $1,000 will actually get me 2,489 actually XRP. So I just click on there, click on preview, and you off to the races. You also can do a repeat transaction. So you can do stuff on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. So you can say repeat this, click on that, daily, weekly, monthly. I like this because it's really good, especially if you have, certain times you want to purchase. You can do that. Start today. There's all the dates you can do. I like this. It's simple and easy. This is really good for beginners. You just want to get in the game, get some assets onto your account. You can get this going. This is really simple and easy to do. And here's your label. This is basically the label on my checking account to XRP. So you can actually change this information if you wanted to. Very quick and very easy to do. Blah blah. Let's continue. And then once I set this up, I'll click on preview, schedule the deposit. So that's quick and easy how you can go ahead and invest into digital assets or anything for that matter. You can click on refresh. So I click on refresh. Basically, if I want to just kind of start over, I kind of like, I like the refresh. I like the whole refresh thing. So one-time transaction, you can do repeat. Very good. I look at the markets to make sure you're following what the prices are going up and down. You also go to more here to actually go through like a watch tour. And this tour here kind of shows you pretty much the ins and out of the actually Uphold this account. It breaks things down even more detail. It shows what's new, what's been changed. So this is a good thing to kind of look over every now and then. It's good to kind of look through. So this is what I do sometimes, look through here. And just make sure you pass the security, the 2-step verification, changing your new device, and recover your 2-step verification access. When you set up your new account, it's going to ask you for those type of information. Just follow the steps. It's really simple, really easy to go ahead and do. All right, click on the link below for a Coinbase account or a Uphold account. Go ahead, buy your first or your 5th or your 100th or your 50th or your second investment cryptocurrencies today. My name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more edutainment information coming to you on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. It depends. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, guys, below this video, if you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and start investing today. Start investing, create your account, look through some of these watch lists. Do your research. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, but do your research, determine which one you want to go ahead and invest into, and it's going to show up right on your portfolio right here. It's going to show up right here, so you can click on any of these assets and it's going to show you exactly a little bit more detail when you deposit it, when you traded it. So it gives you a little information exactly what it is. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video. Click on the link below, get signed up. Let's get started.